DOEC Triple C Spreadsheet Part 1 with RIT. Online contents for course on computer concept. You will learn about Spreadsheet Part 1. Objective: in worksheet you will learn about features of MS Excel, creating, opening, saving and printing workbooks, tabulating textual, numeric and date time information, making calculation using formula and making chart. Introduction. Electronic spreadsheet is the most commonly used data analysis tools. Spreadsheet tools are used to structure and rearrange data for their study and manipulation to achieve desired result. These are traditionally used to develop plans, budgets, and other analysis. It accepts data values and relationship in the columns and rows of its worksheet and then allows user to perform calculations and other operations on this data to answer analysis questions. The first personal computer spreadsheet package was VisiCalc, a program developed by Dan Barkley in 1979. Today's dozens of spreadsheet packages are available to help users prepare budget, forecast future cash needs, determine break-even sales point, and analyze countless other business and non-business problems. For example, accountants need to keep track of all money coming into the business and all the payment going out. They need to able to calculate profit and forecast how will they think the business will be during the next year. They also need to calculate the wages of all the staff each month. Teachers can use a spreadsheet to keep track of marks given for homework and recording exam result and also for registers. Salespeople use spreadsheet to keep track of the items they sell, the value of the items, the profits made on each item, and more importantly, the commission they have earned. Market researchers collect data from shoppers about their spending habits and their awareness of different brands. All of the data has to be collected and analyzed in order to provide the company with a detailed report of what customers think about their products. Opening of spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel can be opened by clicking Microsoft Excel shortcut on desktop or Microsoft Excel option from pop-up menu under Programs menu. Start button, then All Program, then Microsoft Excel 2003. Creating a new workbook. When you start Microsoft Excel, a new workbook opens. A workbook is a collection of spreadsheet pages. Each spreadsheet page is in grid made up of columns and rows. Each workbook is saved as a separate file with extension .xls. The default file name for the first workbook is book1.xls. Each worksheet is divided into columns and rows. Columns are vertical division and rows are the horizontal division. The intersection of row and column is called cells. The cell located at the insertion of columns A and the row 3 shall be referred as A3. Worksheet has 256 columns and 65,536 rows. The default workbook opens with 3 worksheets named Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. The sheet name appears on tab of the bottom of the workbook window. By clicking on the tab, you can move from sheet to sheet within a workbook. The tab of the active sheet is always bold. The Excel window look like these tabs. The Mesh Excel has default menu bar and other toolbar present as shown. At the top there is a title bar on which the file name is displayed as a book 1. The standard toolbar is required for basic operations such as open a new file, save, cut, copy, paste, sort, and other basic tasks. The formatting toolbar provides us the facility to format the worksheet by using fonts, alignment, background, color, text, color, etc. Additional toolbar can be activated or deactivated by right-click in the blank area next to the toolbars. Another way to activate or deactivate toolbar is to click View toolbar, click the appropriate toolbar to be activated or deactivated. The menu bar. Menu commands are grouped into the menu across the menu bar. Equivalent commands are also available in shortcut menu, toolbar, buttons, and shortcut keys. Some commands display submenu. Submenu are indicated by following the command's name. Submenu contains additional related commands. First is file menu, so new, open, close, save as, print and other basic file function. Second is edit menu, shortcut, copy, paste special, find, replace, etc. to edit text. Insert menu is used to add new row, column, worksheet, function, picture and much more. The view menu is used to activate, deactivate toolbar, to add, remove header, footer and view comments, etc. The format menu shows formatting option for cells, row, column and worksheets. The tools menu shows option for checking spreadsheet for spelling mistakes, enable disable protection of workbook, editing, autocorrect, etc. The data menu shows sort, filter, table, subtotal, etc. for analyzed data. Windows menu facilitates better view of data with option for splitting and freezing window panes. The help menu shows various options for help on the Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheet Part 1, the end.